Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to quickly locate MOVA E20. To do it, click on Go to Device, then click on three dots in top right corner. Then click on Locate My Robot. Then it will start saying I am here, and you'll be able to find it. If you cannot hear it, go to Device Settings, Voice and Volume, and turn the volume up.
Start cleaning.
Then you can click on Locate My Robot, and it will say I am here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.